Let's go, Mr. Yo! You steal your service. Look at you, man, the vehicle. Yo, man, I'm at the car, you know that. Yo, me a cut, no, bro.
You go to the station, you make a call.
No, you
start with your call, you go to the station.
You must go and check the vehicle. No, brother, no, when you let the arm from there.
You're making a problem.
Wrist, torn clothes, a 15-year-old boy now limping. It may look like the aftermath of an animal attack, but there were no claws, no fangs. It was instead an encounter with the police as he walked home from school. He says he was walking with 3 female classmates when a police vehicle pulled up. They asked to search him. He agreed. Nothing was found. But what came next is believed to have been a result of a comment the teen admits he made. He doesn't like the police. He claims he was ordered to go into the vehicle and was told he'd be arrested for using indecent language, an order he resisted for this reason.
God know what they're going to do to me if I go down there by myself.
So is it that you were scared?
Exactly, because them are going to say, me and try for one stay and do one bag of things, so like them did say me I threatened them. I wasn't threatening anyone, I was just telling them I go call people and make them know what I do.
And when he resisted, the 2 officers reportedly grabbed him. One allegedly used a baton, striking him on the wrist and at his side. His mother had just gotten home from work when she got a panicked call. She rushed to where he was, but by then, the officers had already left. She then went to the Glengoffe police station, where she confronted one of the officers involved. She says she was told her son was being arrested for what on the ground and do all of that. Like seriously? She's demanding justice, as she says the police also refused to take a statement about the incident.
It's not a big man, he's a 15-year-old. If you hold on to him, I expect you to call my phone and say, Mother, I have your son at the station or something because him do something. I expect you to do me pick me so. I may ask you to carry him go to the hospital. I would to tell me so I'm not doing it. And I them do him so. And I me, I left him so at home. I not send him so at school. And I reach out to police officers and nobody taking no statement. Them have me like a idiot up and down.
On Sunday, she told CVM News she has since filed a report at the Inspectorate and Professional Standards Oversight Bureau, IPROB, who confirmed it would investigate the matter. CVM News has made multiple attempts to contact the police